Okay, so what we got here is Arco Air. It's like the new carriers. And they come with that little fancy blower. Okay, so I don't know, we got thrown into this job. This stuff was already put up here. It's brand new stuff. When I came up here the other day, we're in the middle of summer. Well, not in the middle of summer, it's May 28th. And when I came up here the other day, they're trying to run cooling, both units. Brand new install. Things were not running when I got up here. I had to come up and install the economizers. So we got the economizer. We got both economizers on. But when I came up here, they were both calling for cooling. Nothing was running. Get up here, and I get into this section with my fan control board here, and no power on the strips. No R, no power. So I'm thinking, okay, I got voltage coming in here, top pin and bottom pin, and oops, gotta tighten that down. Get on there. I gotta do something with that. But I gotta finish putting my stuff on here. But I had voltage coming in, no voltage coming out. I don't even think I had voltage on my common and R here, but I had no voltage coming out on the strips. Now, I had ordered 2 boards because I'm thinking, okay, it's a bad board. But I talked to one of my fellow service techs. He's more of a commercial guy than I am. You know, I'm mostly concentrated on residential. I guess there's a manual reset limit. There's a high limit right there. But he says if that limit right there trips, knocks that board out. So we're gonna see. I haven't done anything yet. Let's see if it's tripped. It doesn't feel like it. Let's start it up here. See what happens. Economizer comes on. I don't even know if I have any voltage. Let's see. Let's see if I got voltage now. Didn't feel like it was tripped. But let's see if I got voltage between R and C. So I'm gone. I got voltage, baby. So keep that in mind on these new carrier Arcos, Bryants. If that limit trips, it's going to knock out that whole strip. So now the AC will actually run now. So let me get this put together. I gotta attach my W wire there. Gotta reattach that wire, and then we'll get the cooling going. Okay, well, let's see what happens. Got my wires reconnected, thermostat wires, and hopefully we do something here. Let's see if I still got voltage. Oh, we got a fan. We got a fan. We got a fan, baby. Oh, would help go right to the terminal. 25 volts. Oh, we got a compressor. Oh, she's running coolant. That's what it was. So, make sure you talk to your other techs. I can't possibly know it all. So talking to your other techs is gonna help you out a lot. Because on these new piece of equipment, especially these new carrier rooftops, it's not what we used to have. We used to have just you know, a control board and some contactors and, you know, a contactor for the fan. Now it's all DC. So this is a learning experience for me. Alright, thanks guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.